Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions. It supports muscle and nerve function, energy production, bone health, and much more. However, studies show nearly half of Americans don't get enough magnesium, and it can be even more challenging on a vegan diet since many magnesium-rich foods come from animal sources. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the 17 best plant-based magnesium sources to help you thrive on a plant-based diet. Number 17. Artichokes. Don't let these unusual-looking veggies intimidate you. They're loaded with magnesium and other nutrients. Just steam them to enjoy. Number 16. Figs. Surprisingly high in antioxidants, figs are also a good source of magnesium. They make a tasty addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Number 15. Broccoli. Our parents were right. This cruciferous veg is a nutritional powerhouse, including in the magnesium department. Number 14. Avocados. This beloved fruit contains a decent amount of magnesium, plus healthy fats to boost absorption. Guacamole is a foolproof choice. Number 13. Lentils. Cheap, nutritious, magnesium-rich. A plant-based diet would not be complete without lentils. Whether you're cooking soup, stew, or curries, you can throw them in. Number 12. Bananas. A convenient magnesium source, especially before bed, as it also contains melatonin and potassium to promote restful sleep. Number 11. Tofu. In addition to being a complete protein, it is also a good source of magnesium. The perfect meaty substitute in stir-fries and beyond. Number 10. Whole grains. Quinoa, oats, or buckwheat, it's best to go for the unrefined stuff to get the most magnesium bang for your buck. Number 9. Edamame. These green soybeans are a fabulous source of magnesium and make a protein-packed snack or addition to meals. Number 8. Black beans. Affordable, filling, and full of magnesium, as well as other important minerals. A reliable staple for plant-based diets. Number 7. Spinach. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is a magnesium star and is super versatile. Toss it in smoothies, salads, or sautés. Number 6. Peanut butter. Your childhood favorite is actually quite high in magnesium. Try and go for natural versions to avoid added sugars and oils. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Magnesium never tasted so good. Choose 70% cocoa or higher for the most benefits and moderate your portions. Number 4. Almonds. A healthy snack that's loaded with magnesium. Opt for raw or dry roasted to maximize nutrition. Number 3. Cashews. Creamy, delicious, and magnesium-rich. They are perfect for creating dairy-free alternatives like cream, milk, cheese, and ice cream. Number 2. Chia Seeds. These tiny seeds pack a mighty magnesium punch. They're also rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3s. Try adding them to your breakfast oats or create a delicious chia-based dessert. And finally, at number 1, pumpkin seeds. Just a quarter cup provides nearly half your daily magnesium needs. Sprinkle them on salads or oatmeal for a crunchy nutrient boost. Aim to include a variety of these foods to ensure you're meeting your daily requirement of 320 to 420 milligrams. Remember, magnesium is best absorbed through food in the presence of other nutrients, so focus on eating plenty of whole foods rather than isolated supplements. We hope this gives you a starting point to optimize your nutrition on a plant-based diet. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.